What's going on, people? It's the very first episode of Cooking with Baisden. Here, obviously, me, Stephen Baisden. We're going to try today one of my favorite things to make while I've been learning to cook is salmon, grilled salmon. Right, so I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I bought from like your local store, shop, Tesco, Marks and Spencer, whatever it is. And I'm going to show you exactly how I make it, and maybe you can make it too. Maybe like a nice lunch, pre-workout or post-workout, before or after the gym. And yeah, this is definitely something that I highly recommend. It's delicious, and the way I do it is very special, so stay tuned.
First things first, can't forget your salmon fillets. Doesn't matter if it's boneless or if it's got bones in it. Get it out, get it washed, guys. Use lemon and put it on a tinfoil tray. Make sure you use maybe butter or light fry so it avoids the sticking as well. Here I've got the best of British butter, British mixed peppers, salt, pepper, smoked paprika, mum's special seasoning that my mum gave me, but that's just all seasoning really. Dark soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, and teriyaki glaze. I've got my basmati rice here. I'm going to use that for the side dish, and I've got a chicken stock here to go with the rice. I really want to get stuck in, so I'll put on some cooking gloves. First things first, we're going to add the pepper, right? Let's do that. Pepper on. Make sure you get quite a lot. Be generous with the pepper because we want that aftertaste to really settle in after all the seasoning and all the different sauces we're going to put on it comes into effect. Guys, please make sure that you wash your fish. I'm going to add some salt now after the pepper. You can see all my fish fillets have been nicely peppered. Not too much salt, just enough for each fillet. Just like that. Paprika, not too much. This is not the main flavour that I want my fillets to have. I really want to go for the whole teriyaki taste today, so I'm just going to put a little bit of smoked paprika on it, just to give it a little bit of extra tang, a little bit of zang. Some of mum's special seasoning. Again, not too much. If you put too much on, remember this is why I'm wearing the gloves, so I can really marinate and knead into the fillets. I really want this to get in the grooves, in the sections of the fillets, into the gills. You know, I really want to taste that. Just get that right in there. Make sure that cooks all the way through. I'm gonna put a bit more on actually. That's not enough. I really want this to be tasting good for lunch tomorrow. Wow. Already looks good. I haven't even started yet. Look at that. Tidy workstation here. We have the soy sauce. Let's not make too much of a mess. Watch that splash back, guys. I think we could be quite generous with the soy sauce, if I'm honest. Get that marinated right in there. One thing I've learned is the tastiest part of the salmon fillets is actually the skin underneath when it starts to go crunchy and crispy. So make sure we get a lot of soy sauce and teriyaki in there. I don't mind it running down the side into the tray because it's going to get right underneath and it's going to crisp and add some more flavour to the skin underneath. As you know, teriyaki glaze is a bit thicker. We're not going to apply too much to each fillet, just enough that we can rub it in and again get it in all of the grooves. Right now I'm using a spoon because I've only got one hand with the phone, but you get the drift. Just make sure there's enough on there, not too much. We don't want to overpower with teriyaki glaze because teriyaki glaze is quite strong. It's quite flavourful, so be careful there. Pop that in the oven, give the tinfoil a little lick so it closes it in. Let that sit for about 10 minutes. You don't want it to be too crunchy, you want to see how that goes. Close that up. Beautiful day in London town. Birds are chirping. What a great day to cook. What a great day to watch my videos, guys. Again, thank you for coming. Again, thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Hope I'm doing you guys proud, as this is my first video, but you know, you never know. In 3-4 years time, I could be a master chef. You know, I could be on that program. I could even be on the Bake Off. Voila, here we have all my diced peppers ready to go in the oven. Literally sitting on top or next to the salmon, give it that extra bit of flavour.